Alright, so today I'm going to show you the easiest way I know to turn a long recording into a stack of ready-to-post clips. And no, you don't need a huge editing suite or a month of learning curves. I'll walk you through how I do this, what to watch out for, and why Vizard has become my go-to for this kind of workflow. Think of this as a casual walkthrough, copy-paste friendly, zero tech phobia, and actually useful for getting content out the door. First things first, the setup. If you're used to the old school approach, you probably either transcribe in something like Google Colab with Whisper or send files to some pricey editor, then manually chop up the parts. That works, sure, but it's slow and kind of miserable when you've got a week's worth of footage. What I like to do now is upload the long video straight to Vizard. It takes MP4s, MKVs, whatever you recorded, and it literally scans the whole thing to find the interesting bits. You don't have to hunt for them. So here's the simple flow I use. Open the tool, drag your long video in, choose the clip style, and let it run. While it's working, you can go grab coffee or actually edit other things. It cues everything and spits out finalized clips with suggested captions, thumbnails, and multiple aspect ratios. It's wild how much time that saves. Let me break down why this feels different from other tools. With a basic Colab and Whisper setup, you get a decent transcription for free, and that's great if all you need is text. But then you still need to read the transcript, pick timestamps, export, edit, add captions, resize for TikTok and Reels, and schedule posts. That's 5 steps and a lot of clicking. Some paid suites like Descript try to do a lot of this, and they do it well, but the price adds up. And sometimes the auto-clip logic feels too conservative, so you still spend time tweaking. Vizard combines the best parts. It finds the viral moments automatically, gives you multiple cut options, and then lets you schedule them. The auto-schedule feature is the real time saver. You tell it how often to go out, set your posting windows, and it fills the calendar. No more manual uploads every week. No more forgetting to post on a platform and messing with timestamps manually. Quick tip about accuracy versus speed. If you care about perfect captions and precise timestamps, choose the higher quality export. Vizard gives you quality settings, and yes, the higher the quality, the longer it takes to process. For everyday use, I'll pick the medium setting, quick enough to keep my workflow smooth, but accurate enough that the captions mostly nail punctuation and speaker breaks. Another little thing I love is Vizard's content calendar. You can see all the clips it generated, drag and drop them across days, tweak captions, change thumbnails, and then publish across socials in one go. Compare that to exporting a pile of MP4s and manually uploading them to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and a scheduler. It's a night and day difference. Also, Vizard's caption editor is surprisingly good at cleaning up filler words when you don't want them, which cuts down on editing time. Let's be real, no tool is perfect, so here are the cons I'll be honest about. First, free tiers usually have limits: number of hours you can process, max clip length, or watermarking. If you're scaling to handle hundreds of hours a month, you'll probably need a paid plan. Second, automatic clip selection is smart but not flawless. Sometimes it chooses a moment that looks promising but lacks context, so you still need to glance through generated clips. Third, privacy. If you're dealing with sensitive interviews, double-check the platform's data retention policy or stick to offline methods. How I actually use it in a real creator workflow: record a long sit-down, upload to Vizard, let it generate clips, then scan through the top 8 to 12 it suggests. Most of the time, 70 to 80% of those are published ready after a one-click trim or caption tweak. The rest I edit quickly or combine into compilations. If I need super accurate transcripts for show notes, I'll supplement with a quick Whisper run or use the export if it's clean enough. That hybrid approach saves time and keeps quality high. Comparison time. Because that's what everyone asks. Whisper Colab, free and flexible, great for plain transcripts, but you still do the heavy lifting to make clips and schedule them. Descript, incredible for timeline editing and overdub, especially if you're polishing audio, but pricey for teams and still requires manual selection for the best moments. CapCut and TikTok editor, great for quick mobile edits and trendy effects, but not built for batch processing long-form recordings into dozens of clips. Traditional agencies or editors will do the heavy lift, but expect to pay per clip or hour, which adds up fast. Vizard sits in the sweet spot, automated enough to avoid repetitive work, but customizable enough that you don't lose creative control. The scheduling and calendar features are where it really stands out. If you're trying to maintain a consistent posting schedule across multiple platforms, the time saved is massive. Practical tips to get the best output: always upload your best quality master, as compression can mess with voice clarity, which affects clip detection. Give the AI guidance. Some plans let you set priorities, like focusing on laughs, strong opinions, or product demos, which helps the algorithm surface the right moments. Batch uploads. If you've got a backlog, queue multiple videos, and Vizard will process them so you can schedule a whole month in one session. Edit smart. Use the caption editor to shorten long sentences for short-form clips and trim filler words to make clips feel punchier. Final note on consent and ethics. Always get recorded consent from guests before uploading, as it's tempting to save everything. Store raw files securely if you need them later. Better to have them and not need them than to wish you'd kept them. Okay, that's the gist. You can absolutely still use free transcription tricks like Whisper and Colab if you only need text. But if your goal is to turn long-form content into a steady stream of platform-ready clips with minimal mental overhead, Vizard is worth trying. It speeds up the whole pipeline. Discover clips, polish them, schedule, and publish. And that's the part where creators actually reclaim time. So yeah, try uploading one long video, let it run, skim the generated clips, schedule the best ones, and see how your content calendar fills up without the usual editing grind. It's how I stopped dreading content weekends and actually started enjoying creating again. Peace out and happy clipping!